testing out the new Sony NX800 Camcorder, and we are at the old local reservoir. Might be a little overexposed, but I don't care. I want me to be nice and bright. So right now I have it on flexible spot focus, but I do have it on human autofocus priority. So if it sees a person, it's going to lock on me first, because right now I can see on this LCD screen my eye is locked on. That's right. Really happy working with Sony for the past couple years. Alright, let's adjust this again. How's it going? Now, the Sony NX800 using a monopod, and I am leaning the base of the monopod right up against my waist, and I'm using my right arm to hold it. See how the stabilization works. I have it on clear image, no ND filters, because it's getting dark out. It looks like it's going to start raining soon. So just a quick test. Stay tuned for more. Just checking it out. I am here at the old reservoir that we used to use, but now they have a new reservoir for our town, and just testing out a little bit of this, the different features it has on this Sony NX800 camcorder. I got it on spot focus, but I do have human autofocus as priority, so it overrides it when it sees a person's face and it's locked on my eye. Awesome. Stay tuned for more.